Let's talk about 7 best tech career paths without coding in 2026. If you think coding is the only way to build a successful career in tech, you are looking at an industry through a 10-year-old lens. Because some of the most valuable people inside companies like Netflix, Amazon, Uber, Google, and Salesforce aren't writing codes all day. They are deciding what products get built, designing experiences used by millions, analyzing business problems worth crores. They are probably leading teams, managing projects, and increasingly helping companies figure out how to actually use AI. And here's the crazy part, most people don't even know these careers exist. Which means while everyone is chasing the same coding jobs, some of the biggest opportunities in tech are hiding in plain sight. So in this video, I am going to show you 7 tech career pathways that don't require coding and they pay surprisingly well. They are also becoming even more valuable in the age of AI. Let's start with one of the most influential roles in tech, which is product management. Think about Netflix top 10 shows feature. Looks simple, right? But before it was built, someone had to decide whether it was worth building it at all. That's product management. Product teams decide what gets built, why it gets built, and how it helps the business grow. Most people start as product associates or product analysts and grow into the product managers and product leaders. Starting salaries often range from 6 to 10 lakhs per annum. Experienced product managers can earn between 15 to 40 lakhs per annum. And despite the AI hype, product managers aren't becoming less important. AI can generate ideas. It can't really decide which idea is worth millions to a business. If you enjoy solving problems and make decisions, product is one of the strongest career pathways available today. Second, UX and UI design. Open Uber. Notice how you can book a ride in seconds without thinking much about it. That's good design. UX and UI designers make products easy, intuitive, and enjoyable to use. Because one frustrating experience is often enough to lose a customer. Most people start as UI or UX designers and eventually move into the product design and design leadership roles. Entry level salaries typically range from 4 to 8 lakhs per annum. Experienced product designers often earn about 12 to 35 lakhs per annum, and while AI can generate layouts, it still struggles to understand the human emotions, frustrations, and behavior. The best designers won't compete with AI, they will definitely use it. The third is data analytics. Imagine Amazon notices a product's sales suddenly drop by 40%. Everyone has a theory, nobody has a proof, and that's where the data analysts comes in. Their job is to turn data into decisions. They identify patterns, uncover problems, and help businesses understand what's actually happening. Most professionals begin as data analysts or BI analysts before growing into the senior analytics roles. Starting salaries usually range from 5 to 10 LPA. Experienced analysts often earn around 15 to 30 lakhs per annum. And here's the reality about AI. AI can create charts. Businesses don't pay for charts, they pay for decisions, which makes strong analytical thinking more valuable than ever. Notice something? Did you notice something? We have already covered product, design, and analytics. 3 completely different careers. None require you to become a software developer. And the next one might be the most future proof role on this list. That is an AI business analysis. Every company wants AI. Very few know where to use it. Imagine a hospital trying to implement AI. Should it improve scheduling or patient support or operations, or choosing the wrong problem could waste crores. Choosing the wrong problem could waste crores. That's why AI business analysts are becoming incredibly valuable. Their job is to identify where AI can create real business impact. Most people begin as business analysts and later specialize in AI focused projects. Starting salaries typically range from 6 to 10 lakhs per annum. Experienced professionals often earn between 15 to 25 lakhs per annum. This role barely existed a few years ago. Today, it is becoming one of the fastest growing opportunities in business and technology. Fifth is digital marketing. Every time you search Google or ask ChatGPT for a recommendation, certain brands appear first. That's not luck, that's purely digital marketing. Today, marketeers aren't just competing for Google rankings, they are competing for visibility inside the AI generated answers too. This is creating a whole new opportunity. Most people start as digital marketing executives and grow into SEO, performance marketing, growth marketing, or strategy roles. Starting salaries here usually range from 4 to 8 lakhs per annum. Experienced growth marketeers can earn between 12 to 30 lakhs per annum or plus. And unlike many careers, you can prove your skills before getting hired. Build a website, rank content, run campaigns, show results. That's one reason this remains one of the easiest entry points into tech. 6. Project management. Imagine Swiggy wants to launch a major feature before an IPL season. Multiple teams are involved, deadlines are tight, expectations are super high. Now imagine nobody is coordinating the work. That's exactly why a project manager exists. Their job is to keep teams aligned and keep the projects moving. Most professionals begin as project coordinators before growing into project managers and later delivery leaders. Starting salaries often range from 5 to 9 lakhs per annum. Experienced project managers frequently earn between 12 to 35 lakhs per annum, and as AI automates repetitive work, leadership, communication, and coordination really becomes even more valuable. 7. Salesforce and SaaS administration. On number 7, we have Salesforce and SaaS administration. This is probably the most underrated career on this list. Imagine a company whose entire sales operations run through Salesforce. Now imagine that system stops working properly. Whoa, business slows down instantly. Salesforce administrators keep that from happening. They configure platforms, automate workflows, and ensure business systems run smoothly. Most professionals start as Salesforce administrators before moving into consulting and specialist roles. Starting salaries here usually range from 5 to 10 lakhs per annum. Experienced Salesforce professionals often earn between 12 to 30 lakhs per annum, and because businesses are integrating AI into the platforms like Salesforce, demand continues to grow. The path is also straightforward. Learn the platform, get certified, gain experience, and grow. So, what's the takeaway? Tech isn't just for coders anymore, it's for problem solvers, designers, analysts, strategists, marketeers, and yes, for leaders. The goal isn't to choose the career that sounds the most impressive, it's to choose the one that matches how you naturally think, because that's usually where long term success begins. And if you're serious about building a future in tech, the right guidance can save you a lot of years. And if you're serious about building a future in tech, the right guidance can save you years of trial and error. Which of these 7 careers sound more interesting to you? Which of these 7 careers sounds most interesting to you? Let me know in the comments, and I will see you in the next video.